Pretty printing XML in Python. What is the best way, or are there various ways, to pretty print XML in Python?
XML is recent, updated, and includes a pretty print function. Check out the XML tutorial, this URL.
Another solution is to borrow this indent function, for use with the elementary library that's built into Python since 2.5. Here's what that would look like.
You have a few options. xml.etree.elementary.indent. Batteries included, simple to use, pretty output. But requires Python 3.9+. Beautiful soup.prettify. Beautiful soup may be the simplest solution for Python is lower than 3.9. Output. This is my go-to answer. The default arguments work as is, but text contents are spread out on separate lines as if they were nested elements. lxml.etree.parse. Prettier output but with arguments. Produces. This works for me with no issues. xml.dom.minidom.parse. No external dependencies but post-processing. The output is the same as above, but it's more code.